You had me at hello.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bella and I love making all types of motherhood and mommy motivation, homemaking motivation, stuff like that on my channel. We've been doing a lot of organizing, so if that is your jam, I hope you stick around. And something extra exciting, I have a little bit of decor inspiration at the end of this video, so make sure that you hang around to the end to see that. And if you want even more Valentine's Day decorating and stuff like that, I have 2 videos on my channel and I will link those both below if you missed them. And today I'm showing you kind of a morning cleaning routine or just some morning cleaning in general. I had just had my coffee and gotten dressed. And I do want to say that this was a particularly good morning. My toddler slept in a little bit, allowing me for some extra time to get some extra cleaning done. So make sure that you're not comparing yourself to this. This was my kind of ideal perfect morning, and that was purely by chance. But what I usually like to start out with is making my bed, because I feel like when your bed is made, the whole room just looks so much cleaner when things are kind of out of place. As you can see, we're still working on the cord situation on Matt's side of the bed, but if you make your bed, you feel a million times more productive. So definitely try it if you haven't today. And now I'm moving into the kitchen because I had to unload the dishwasher. We normally run the dishwasher every night because we just have a bunch of dishes from cooking throughout the day, and our toddler sometimes makes a big mess when she eats too, but that's just mom life. And if you can see, I'm moving really slowly and carefully, and that's because I'm trying so hard not to wake my little girl up. So I'm sorry if it looks kind of awkward and funny and I'm moving a little bit weird. It's like an extreme sport to clean quietly. Also, really quick, moms of little kids and toddlers, help me out. What do your littles like to watch? Because we have kind of the same 3 TV shows / movies that we've been watching around here with our toddler that she loves, and I don't know what else to branch out to. So especially if you have Disney Plus, let me know some good things that your kiddos just absolutely love. My little girl loves all the singing and dancing. She's into music and all that kind of fun stuff. So especially if it's a musical, let me know what your littles like. Now I'm moving on to washing some dishes, and these were actually left in the sink by Matt this morning because he had to work super early today, so he got up before anybody else was up, including myself, and I feel like I get up pretty early, so he had to leave crazy early and just didn't have time to do his dishes, which was perfectly fine. So I was just gonna rinse those off and load those into the now empty dishwasher, because dishes are just a never-ending story in this house, and I'm sure in everybody's house too.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spent my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars.
And now for my first sink clean of the day, and yes, I clean the sink multiple times a day, including before breakfast. Call me crazy if you need to. I just love a clean sink. And I hope you're enjoying the mellow music of today. I tried to keep it a super relaxing, chill morning clean, because sometimes I feel like mornings can get a little crazy and we all need a little bit of chill in the morning. So I hope this video can provide that for you, and I hope that you're enjoying it so far. I feel like all of our community responds really well to some chill cleaning, and I feel like that's because that's what we all crave. We just need some calm in our lives. And let me know if you enjoy this type of video, this more relaxed and chill video, by just hitting that thumbs up and letting me know. But now I'm gonna move on to wiping down the countertops. for some reason they always have crumbs on them, whether I just cooked or not. So they're just always needing a quick wipe down, which is super easy to do. And I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's rose scent because it is Valentine's Day in my house, if you haven't noticed. And I just love a good floral scent, especially roses. That's my favorite.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
I might go to Michael's today and get something for our tiered tray because it's just been sitting there all through the cleaning and decorating. It's kind of embarrassing. If you're wondering, that's our little pathetic tiered tray. I don't know, I want to decorate it for sure. I don't know that it'll be this video, but it'll be coming up. So it is later in this video. I know that I recorded that a little bit early and I was really hopeful that I could get it done in this video, but I didn't want to overpromise. But since I showed you the tiered tray, I decided that I did want to just decorate it a little bit, and I ended up going to Hobby Lobby because there wasn't a lot at Michael's. So the whole tiered tray situation is all from Hobby Lobby coming up, and you will see that very soon. But right now I'm just disinfecting the couches and stuff, and I'm gonna wipe down our coffee table because if you haven't seen on my Instagram, my little girl, every time I turn around, is climbing up on this coffee table and standing up all day, multiple times a day. I'm having to run over to this coffee table to pull her down and tell her to get off. By the way, give me any tips you have on kind of mediating that if you can, because she does not want to listen to mama. And I have a big announcement. She is walking now, which is amazing. She's constantly walking all over the house now. It's so cute because it just feels like she's a little adult, and she hands me things and walks over to bring them. And I don't know, I'm definitely having baby fever because my little girl is not a baby anymore. She is a whole kid, and it's making mommy want another one. So I can't promise it's going to be in this place. It probably isn't, but we are looking into moving pretty soon. So that might be coming a little bit sooner than you might think. So stay tuned for that. And now you can just see me get her bottle and her breakfast ready. We did some fruit and some waffles, and I wanted to make her some scrambled eggs, which is why I left the pan out on the stove and I didn't put it away or anything like that. In addition to trying not to make a lot of noise, I figured I could just make her eggs. But then I realized we ran out, but that gave me the perfect excuse to run to the store as well and get the tiered tray stuff. So it ended up being a good thing, and she's been a little bit picky, so that's why breakfast is a little bit sparse. It's just because she hasn't wanted a lot of different types of food, especially at the house. And I think it's because she's teething, but I'm not 100% sure. But she's been a little bit more fussy than usual, and she's also been a little bit more uncooperative, but that's just life with a toddler. Give me some tips on that type of teething and pain management stuff though. And here is our cute little breakfast table. And I do set the table every morning because I think the breakfast is just so special to spend with her. Good morning, beautiful princess. Dada put you to bed with a whale spout. That's wacky. At least I don't have to do it today. Oh, that's her best friend, Ghost.
Please do not let me go.
So I ended up going and getting a couple things for my tiered tray, and when I was putting Kennedy in her high chair, my nail broke. It hurts so much. I feel like that's like one of the things that guys make fun of us for. They're like, oh, girls are always so worried about breaking their nails. It's like, yeah, we are. It freaking hurts. So I got some really cute things. It's all from Hobby Lobby, if you're wondering. And if you are like really good with tiered trays, feel free to give me some suggestions. I don't know, I think it came out pretty cute. This is the first time I've done like a super complicated one, but I like these little mugs. One says, I'm yours. The other one says, you're mine. They're just cute. I stayed with pinks, but I did throw in a little bit of red. There was a pink one like this, but it was only like circular. It didn't hang down, and that's what I wanted. I wanted it to hang down a little bit. And just how cute is that? Just full of love. And these cute little rolling pins. I showed this to Kennedy in the store, and I was like, Kennedy, it looks like one of your dolls could use this. And she was laughing. So she actually kind of did help me pick out a few things because she was pointing, and I was like, oh, we could use that on this side or that side. It's really fun. I can't wait to decorate with Kennedy more in the future when she gets her own style and everything. I'll definitely take her input. That'll be so fun. Like always, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye, beauties.